Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some DIYs using the Dollar Tree canvas. Dollar Tree recently got some new canvases like this burlap and the black one. I'm going to start with my first project using the burlap canvas. I'm going to remove the staples and paint the wood frame using the color black. Now I'm going to use the burlap and just cut it to size and glue it to the frame. To decorate this, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood plank. Now I'm going to leave it the color it is and add Family is Forever using my Cricut. To decorate this a little more, I'm using this floral pick that I got from the Dollar Tree and add it at the top. And that is it. Look how beautiful this Family Forever canvas sign turned out. For my next canvas, I'm using the black one and I'm going to just leave it like this. I thought of removing the canvas, but instead I just left it like that. Now I'm going to add this Decor house sign to the front, but first I am going to decorate it. And that is all I did for this canvas. This was very quick and easy, and look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using the white canvas. I'm going to remove the staples and the canvas. And what I like about these white canvases, actually not just the white. Some of these canvases, they don't staple the corners. They come perfect. So instead, I decided to leave this one, this color, and just add some of these Dollar Tree wood planks. I'm going to cut them to size and then paint them using the black paint. I did add a little bit of water so they can look more of a stain. So they can look stained. I'm going to add the wood pieces to the back using hot glue. You can use wood glue if you like. And look how beautiful these look. Now I'm going to add this home sign that I already had. I did get this from the Dollar Tree. I also got this little galvanized envelope during Valentine's season. So I'm going to just add it at the top. I left the heart and I added some greenery. And that is it. Look how beautiful this home sign turned out. For the next project, I'm using another of the burlap canvas. This time, I'm not going to remove the staples. I'm going to just leave it how it is and add this Bliss sign that I already had. This Bliss sign is from Michael's. I did paint it black, and I'm going to add it more towards the bottom. To finish this off, I will be adding some greenery to the top part, and that is it. Look how beautiful this Bliss sign turned out. And that is it for these quick and easy Dollar Tree canvas DIYs. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.